I'm gonna tell y'all something, and I have absolutely no shame telling you. This is my third day in a row getting Jersey Mike's for breakfast/lunch, okay? Same sandwich. We've got Miss Rachel going on in the back. Hair is up because I need my hair up for this. I think I've told you guys before, like on a mini vlog, I think I shared it yesterday, but I get the number 14, which is a veggie, and so it's Swiss and provolone, and then it comes with lettuce. I do no tomatoes. It comes with green peppers. I add banana peppers, and I do extra onions, and then I do it Mike's way, which is like red vinegar and oil. It's delicious. It sounds weird, but listen. Oh, look at her. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. What are you guys having for lunch today? Some of you might already know. Some of you, if you're new, you might not know, but we have a wedding this weekend in New York City. So, gotta prepare because we leave tomorrow morning. So that's why we're out and about right now. This is literally like my breakfast. I need to find a napkin. I found some McDonald's napkins. That is lovely. I hope you guys are eating with me, so I'm not the only one chomping over here. So we're out and about because I need to go and get some things. First, we're out of toilet paper at home. That's not like anything to prepare for this weekend, but we need toilet paper, okay? So I gotta run to BJ's, which is like our Sam's Club, Costco situation. I need toilet paper. We're into our safety stock of paper towel. If you watched last night's dinner vlog, then you know already. So toilet paper, paper towel, and I need to get formula. I'm gonna get so at BJ's, they have like a double pack of the Enfamil that Kennedy is on. So I think what we're gonna do is get like one more of the double pack, and that should take us like through, hopefully. Maybe not, I don't know. We'll see, because again, she's gonna be one in like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, which I literally cannot believe. I feel like this year has gone by faster than my pregnancy with her did. Go figure. Where else do I need to go? I also need to run to the grocery store because I'm going to dinner tonight with my sister, but I gotta make something for Carl before I go. So, gotta go grab something to make for him. And yeah. This sandwich is just unreal. I've been getting so many compliments online and also in real life about my nails. I just got these done. I got 2 coats of Bubble Bath by OPI, 1 coat Funny Bunny, I'm in Chrome. And I got Dip. I love them. Alright, gonna eat this and then we gotta go run errands. You can see Rachel's in the back. Oh, I also did buy a few things for this weekend just to make life easier. So I'll probably do like a little like packing haul or something later because I found some really cool things on Amazon just to like make mom life easier. Mom life on the go, you know? I hope you guys enjoyed lunch with me. I'm gonna finish this and we can get going. Oh, maybe I'll get a coffee too. I've been getting a lot of headaches this pregnancy, so I also did stop drinking coffee because that's something with both pregnancies, first trimester. Coffee, I could not do it. But I'm starting to like get back into it a little bit, and again, I have a headache, so hopefully it helps. Also, this is the first day it's sunny in like 4 days because it's been raining, like downpouring every day in New England the past 4 days, so maybe it's the weather, I don't know. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.